Meghalaya is on the brink of a major tourism transformation with an investment of over Rs 4,000 crore aimed at reshaping the sector over the next 2 years. The initiative will focus on strengthening infrastructure, expanding key tourism circuits and incorporating newly discovered destinations into the state's tourism map. The government plans to integrate multiple tourist centers into linked circuits, moving beyond single village tourism models to create a more immersive and extensive travel experience. The annual tourism map, which is updated every year, will now feature additional locations, ensuring a broader range of attractions for visitors.
As you can see, the ropeway project has taken off. Major circuits are also being linked with, in the sense that instead of just one village, we have 5 tourist centers being linked, and visitors will be encouraged to visit each of those circuits